Hey YouTube, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Let's talk about the Leofoto tripod that made me buy the Ranger tripod. And that is this little guy. This is the MT-03 from Leofoto. Super compact. You can see how it is in my hand. And so this is its fully extended mode. And now you fold it in like so. Now you have this very, very, very small tripod. It's all metal construction except for like some of the rubber feet here on the end. But other than that, like very sturdy little tripod. I ended up finding this tripod and Leofoto as a brand because I was Googling really right stuff after seeing an Elia Liccardi video. I saw how much they were, way out of my price point, and Leofoto kept coming up as being very comparable in quality to really right stuff for a fraction of the price. So I also picked it up with this little ball head, and this little ball head is the LH-25. Again, all metal, super nice, and it just screws on to the top here of the tripod. And then when you want to store it, you will just kind of put it down into this like store mode. And now you have, again, just a very compact portable tripod. I've seen a lot of people use this, and I think Elia Liccardi had done it, where you can put it on a railing. I am not saying do that. I would never do that. I value my gear too much, and I've already dropped a camera off of a tripod before, and it was a very expensive purchase. But that's how he was using it, and I thought it was a good idea. So maybe if you had like a GoPro or something that you were fine potentially breaking, you could hang it kind of off like a railing. And then again, if you need to make, or if you need just a little bit more height, you can go ahead and extend it. And then the other thing I've seen that people really like this guy for is, again, maybe like a vlogging setup or for work, but you can actually buy attachments here and attach it to the leg of the tripod. So I guess if you wanted to put like a little light source off of it, or you needed to put your mic off the other side, you can attach it through these holes on all sides of the tripod. So we're gonna fold it back up, and then it comes with, it's been a long time, I think like a little toolkit, multi-kit, and then it comes with this bag. And this bag is beat, but that's because I ended up dropping it and dragging it across the ground. It's like a neoprene, so that wasn't my fault kind of a thing, but even with that, it's held up really nice. So this is just, again, super, super small for size comparison. Here is my iPhone. So, you know, not that much bigger than my iPhone, and with the ball head, probably about the iPhone size. Here is my cup of coffee, grande from Starbucks. So again, not that much bigger. In the case with the ball head on, I can make it even smaller if I'm going to take the ball head off. Let's look one more time with my coffee. So super comparable in size. But anyway, this was the reason why I ended up purchasing the Ranger. Really like it. I've gotten a pretty good use out of it. It actually might be better for the Osmo Pocket, just because I'm looking at this now and it's kind of an overkill setup. But again, I really wanted the adjustability for my full frame camera and then for my X100 so wanted to go with something more adjustable. But if it's just sitting on a desk, you know, this would be a pretty good just option to go. And then if you wanted to vlog, which I know a lot of people on YouTube vlog, this is kind of a borderline vlog as I undo these legs. There you go. Now you can hold it out, and it's, again, like just not flimsy at all. Feels really good. So there you go. The Leofoto MT-03 with the LH-25 ball head. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks.